What if I told you the microwave was invented by accident, and the reason was something very simple, just a melted chocolate bar? In 1946, Percy Spencer was working on radar technology. While testing equipment, he noticed something strange happening in his pocket. The chocolate bar inside had melted faster than anything he expected. Curious, he decided to test other foods near the machine carefully. He placed popcorn kernels nearby and suddenly they started popping instantly. Then he tried an egg, but it exploded right in front. He realized microwave energy could heat food quickly from inside. Soon after, the first microwave was built, but it was massive. It weighed hundreds of kilograms and was taller than most humans. Today, microwaves are everywhere, all thanks to one melted chocolate bar.